Namaskar. Thank you for joining in today. Today again we are in our Soulful Sunday. Let's start today's session. At this point, do you realize what all we are doing? Hopefully you're listening to me. You're blinking your eyes. Food is getting digested, whatever we have eaten. We are breathing. All this is happening automatically. One big thing which is happening all the time is there are cells inside us that is fighting invaders and pathogens. We have already given importance to what we eat, how we want to keep our hair good, how to keep our heart strong, how to improve our lung capacity and our breathing. But this time, our immune system, a disease-fighting ability, the system that determines how strong we are, how resilient our system are to fight such infection that are moving around. The immune system has gotten attention of lot many people. So, what are the components of immune system we are talking about? Immune system, what we call in Hindi रोग प्रतिरोधक शक्ति जो हमारे अंदर है. So let's talk about it. We have lots of lymph nodes all around the body. That are the centers where the fighting happens between the invaders and between our army of soldiers, the white blood cell. Then there is fluid which circulates all around our body 24/7 that is carrying unwanted debris away from our cell. Then we have certain organs like tonsil in our neck, thymus in the center of our chest, appendix in our tummy. All these things are working together to fighting together to bring about immunity in our system. But there is one major difference between circulatory system that circulate blood all over our body and lymphatic system that circulate lymph all over the body. Cardiovascular system has that pump there in the heart which keeps pumping to keep the fluid going throughout our body. But the lymphatic system not really have any pump which gives the pressure for the fluid to go around our body. This is where our movement is so important. Movement is medicine. When we move our muscle act like a pump for the lymphatic fluid to flow around our body. So the exercise we are going to do are different pump at different area to keep the lymph flowing through. So let's start with very basic Sukshma Vyayam. So these are gentle micro exercises. Let's start with it. Let's sit comfortably with your spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. Let's sit comfortably with our spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. We will start with our neck. We have not many lymph nodes starting from our ear towards our neck, under our armpit. Some are there in our inner groins. So let's start with neck first. Take a deep inhale. गहरी सांस भरते हुए chin को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. Look toward the ceiling. Feel stretch on the front section of your neck. Exhale, bring your chin to your chest. Feel stretch on the back portion of your neck. We will do it 3 times. Inhale, look toward the ceiling. Exhale, chin to chest. One more deep inhale, look toward the ceiling. सांस छोड़ते हुए ठुड्डी को कनकुट में मिलाएं. Deep inhale, come back to center, relax. Take a deep inhale, look towards your right shoulder. हम गहरी सांस भरेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए दाएं कंधे की ओर देखेंगे। इस खिंचाव को दूसरे साइड पे महसूस करेंगे। Very gently with inhale, come back to center. With exhale, look towards your other shoulder. Feel that stretch. Inhale, center. We will do this 2 more times from right and left. Now, we will keep our right hand on our right shoulder, left hand near our right ear. Deep inhale, गहरी सांस भरेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए सर को बाएं कंधे की ओर झुकाएंगे. Feel that stretch on your right side of your neck running towards your shoulder. Very gently we will hold it. Keep your breathing normal. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, change side. We will do it with other side. Left hand, left kandhe pe, right hand near your left ear. Take a deep inhale, gently push it towards your right side. Feel this stretch running on your side of your neck. Very gently release. We will do it one more time. Now we will do 360 degree rotation. अपनी ठुड्डी को आसमान की तरफ लेके जाएंगे, गहरी सांस भरेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए सर्कल में रोल करेंगे. सांस भरते हुए पीछे, सांस छोड़ते हुए सामने. We will do it 3 times clockwise and counterclockwise. Now we will do few gentle exercises for our shoulder. So we have lots of lymph node on our shoulder and our armpit. So let's bring our both elbow together. दोनों कोहनियों को आपस में मिलाएंगे. सांस भरते हुए पीछे लेके जाएंगे. When we are bringing it back, feel that your front portion, your chest is expanded. हमारा chest expanded है, shoulder blade squeezed है. सांस छोड़ते हुए bring your elbows back. So it will be 5 clockwise and 5 counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will do from other side again 5. Deep inhale and exhale, gently roll your shoulder. So just take your shoulder up towards your ear, inhale and exhale. So we will just up and down our shoulder with jerk. Now we will do another kriya which is known as Virechan kriya. दोनों मुट्ठियों को बांधेंगे. Make a fist, keeping your thumb inside your fist. Keep your elbow by the side of your body and we will try to push it back. So we will try to push it back. जितना हम पीछे push कर सकते हैं. When we are pushing it back, our chest is expanded and open. Our heart is open. We will try to push it back and now we will try to bring our elbows closer to each other. हम दोनों कोहनियों को आपस में मिलाने की कोशिश करेंगे. Though it's not possible, ये संभव नहीं है. But when we are trying, we will feel little more expansion on our chest. We will hold this for 2 deep inhale and exhale. गहरी सांस भरेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Very simply release. We will try it once again. Now, पहले हमने हाथों को पीछे push किया. Now we will try to push it from side. So make a fist. Bring your elbow closer to your spine. जितना हम पीछे push कर सकते हैं. So this time Just hold it. Feel your chest is expanded. Your shoulders are straight. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Slowly release. Just shake your hand, roll your shoulder. We will do spinal stretches. Keep your both hands on your knee. दोनों हाथों को घुटनों पे लेके आएंगे. गहरी सांस भरते हुए चेस्ट को आगे पुश करेंगे. Look toward the ceiling. Exhale, roll your shoulder, chin to chest. Deep inhale, look toward the ceiling. Exhale, chin to chest, roll. We will do it 5 times. गहरी सांस भरते हुए स्कूप करते हुए ऊपर की तरफ, सांस छोड़ते हुए ठुड्डी को कंठकूप में मिलाएंगे, शोल्डर को रोल करेंगे. We can do it 5 to 10 times. Now we will do lateral bend. जो बेड पे हैं या चेयर पे हैं वो बेड पे चेयर पे बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं. And those who are sitting on mat, we can do comfortably on our mat. Right hand, keep it on the right side. So those who are on a chair, please hold your right side of chair. And those who are sitting on mat, please keep your right hand on the mat. We will gently push it out. If possible, we keep our right elbow on the floor. Take your left hand up. Stretch your left hand up. Look towards your left hand finger. Take deep inhale and exhale. Very gently push your hand back. जितना पीछे push कर सकते हो. Feel that your chest is expanded. We will hold this position and we will take deep inhale and exhale 2 times. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Slowly bring your hands back. Deep inhale and exhale. With exhale, we will go towards our right side. So we will do dynamic stretch. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. We will do it 5 times. Inhale and exhale. Now we will stretch our hand. We will try to hold this for 2 deep inhale and exhale. While we are holding, just feel this stretch on your side, on your oblique. So we are creating stretch on our intercostal muscle. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Deep inhale, stretch your hand up, very gently come up. Deep inhale and exhale, relax your body. We will do it with other side. So we can repeat it with other side and we can do the entire process 3 to 5 times. According to our time, according to our capacity. We will stretch our left hand out, push your left elbow on the floor, take your right hand up, look towards the hand which is going up, inhale and exhale. With deep inhale, we will push it back and we will try to look towards the finger which is going back. Hold this, feel expansion in your chest. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale करते हुए left side drop करेंगे हाथ को. So we will do it 5 times dynamically. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. We will hold this for 2 deep inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. With deep inhale, stretch your hand up. With exhale, come. Just relax your body. Now we will be doing spinal twist. Repeat karna. Right hand on your left knee. Left hand behind your back. Look towards your left shoulder and hold. So those who are sitting on chair, they can keep their right hand on the knee, left hand behind their chair. Chair के पीछे वाले हिस्से को पकड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे. Inhale. Take your right hand, keep it on your left knee, left hand behind your back. Look towards your left shoulder, hold. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Slowly release your neck. पहले गर्दन को release करेंगे and then release your body. We will do it with other side. So we will sit comfortably. Left hand on your right knee, right hand behind your back. Hold this position for 2 breaths. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. Gently release your neck, release your body. Now we will be doing few exercises while we are standing. Before that, just do a dynamic twist. We will do 6 times. Deep inhale with exhale, we will twist. 1, inhale center, exhale twist. Inhale center, exhale twist. Exhale twist, inhale center, exhale twist, inhale center, exhale twist. Very good. Let's do few exercises while we are standing. Those who are comfortable, not comfortable standing, they can do while sitting on their chair or bed or sofa, whatever you are using. And rest of us, we will stand and do. कुछ ऐसी क्रियाएं हैं जो हम खड़े होकर करते तो उसका प्रभाव काफी अच्छा आता है. डिस्टेंस रखेंगे, हाथों को सामने लेके आएंगे. Those who are sitting, जो बैठ के करना चाहते हैं वो बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं. Keep your both hands stretched out. Take a deep inhale. With exhale, we will turn around and we will do 2 exhale with mouth. Exhale, exhale, inhale center, exhale, exhale, inhale center. So we will be doing 8 times. गहरी सांस भरेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए पीछे जाएंगे. Exhale, exhale, inhale center, exhale, exhale, inhale center. So it will be inhale, inhale, आसन, कैमल पोज. हम खड़े होकर करेंगे. सो इट इज अर्ध उष्ट आसन. जो बैठे हैं वो पीछे अपना हाथ रखेंगे, जो खड़े हैं दोनों हथेली on your back. Take a deep inhale. गहरी सांस भरेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए अपने pelvic bone को आगे की तरफ पुश करेंगे and we will drop back. Deep inhale. With exhale, just drop. We will try to hold it as long as it's comfortable. Very slowly come back. We will coordinate with our body movement and our breath. जो जितना जा सकता है पीछे उतनी ही try करेंगे. So we will try once again. Keep your both hands on your ribs. I'm sorry, near your spine, your lower spine. गहरी सांस भर लेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. Slowly go back. जितना आप पीछे की तरफ झुक सकते हो. And very gently come back. Release. Release. Now we will be doing another exercise which is Trikonasana. हम त्रिकोणासन में जाएंगे. We will keep little distance between both our legs. दोनों पैरों में थोड़ा सा distance रखेंगे. So let's keep distance between both our legs. Stretch your both hands out. हाथों को stretch कर लेंगे. गहरी सांस भरेंगे. सांस छोड़ते हुए right hand is going towards our right toe. Look towards your left hand. So we are in the triangle pose. हम त्रिकोण आसन में हैं. गहरी सांस भरेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. Slowly bring your body up. Deep inhale. With exhale, we will go towards the other side. So those who are not able to reach to the floor, हम चेयर या किसी सपोर्ट का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So if you are not able to reach up to the floor, in that case we will stand with our legs wide apart. गहरी सांस भरेंगे. सांस छोड़ते हुए right hand keep it on your chair. Bring your left hand up. Feel that stretch on your side body. Hold your triangle pose. Take deep inhale and exhale. Slowly release. Do it with other side. So take a deep long inhale. With exhale, we will drop towards left. Inhale, exhale, go down, look towards the hand which is going up. So maintain your triangle pose. Our legs are forming a triangle, hand and one leg is again forming a triangle. So it's a Trikona Asana. Slowly bring your body up, relax. We can repeat this 3 to 5 times each side. Let's do another exercise where we will be keeping our hands just 45 degree away from our legs. हमारा हाथ हमारे thighs से 45 degree difference पे. Turn your wrist outside. हमारी हथेली बाहर की तरफ है. Take a deep inhale, push your hand back and hold. When we are holding it back with the intention that we are trying to reach, हम दोनों हाथों को आपस में मिलाने की कोशिश करेंगे जो संभव नहीं है. Feel that stretch on the front portion of your chest. Take deep inhale and exhale 2 times. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Very slowly bring it back. We will do it 3 to 5 times. हम 3 से 5 बार इसे दोहरा सकते हैं. Now we will be doing another exercise where we will be keeping up both arms open. हम अपनी हथेली को पूरा ओपन करके रखेंगे. Push it back. जितना आप पीछे push कर सकते हो. Keep your elbows straight. पूरे हाथ को straight रखा है. Just push your hand back. Keep your spine neutral and straight. हम imagine करेंगे there is an imaginary wall behind us. कोई एक wall है. This wall could be our fear, our doubt, our tension, anything. उस imaginary wall को हम push कर रहे हैं. So we are staying, keeping this wall away from our body. We will hold this with all our strength. अपनी पूरी ताकत से बॉल को पुश करेंगे. Take deep inhale and exhale 2 times. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. When exhale, we will just be pulsing it out. तो हम केवल exhale करेंगे. Exhale with your mouth and pulse 10 times. Very gently bring it back. There might be a gentle pain. Just shake it out. हाथों को shake कर लेंगे. Just shake it out. Let's do it once again. We will again push it back. जितना हम push कर सकते हैं. पूरी ताकत से पीछे push करेंगे as if we are pushing this wall which is behind us. So we are pushing our doubts, our fear, anything which we don't want in our life. We are pushing it away. Take deep inhale and exhale. Let's pulse 10 times with exhale. Very gently bring it back, roll your shoulders, shake your hands. Excellent. Now we will do another form where we will be keeping our both hands stretched out. अपने दोनों हाथों को बिल्कुल straight रखेंगे shoulder से. Our hand is stretched towards us. As if कि हमारे दोनों side पे एक wall है. एक imaginary wall है. This wall could be anything. हमारा डर, हमारी शंका, हमारी चिंता, हम उसे अपने आप से दूर भगा रहे हैं. So push with all your strength. अपनी पूरी ताकत से उसे push कर रहे हैं. And we will hold this. We will try to hold it for 30 seconds. In case in between, अगर हमें pain feel हो रहा है, we can release and shake our hand. But we will try to hold it as long as it's comfortable. So we are working on our hands, we are working on our shoulder. After 30 counts, we can just very gently make a 1-inch circle. 1-inch circle बनाएंगे, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring your hands down, shake it out. So this helps in strengthening our shoulder, and at the same time it also teaches us हम अपनी लाइफ में जो भी चीज होल्ड करते हैं, whether it is our fear, our doubt, our anger, जब हम किसी चीज को ज्यादा होल्ड करने की कोशिश करते हैं, that creates stress. Similarly, when we are holding our hand, it was creating stress in our body. We are not holding any weight. हमारे अपने खुद के हाथ का weight है. but there was a stress. So it teaches us किसी भी चीज को अगर हम अपने अंदर रोकने की कोशिश करते हैं, किसी फियर, डाउट, किसी पे गुस्सा, नाराजगी, हमेशा एक तरह का स्ट्रेस हम अपने अंदर बिल्ड करते हैं. So now we will do a lateral bend. For lateral bend, we will keep our both legs together. दोनों पैरों को आपस में मिला के रखेंगे. Stretch your right hand up. Hold it with your left hand. Take a deep, long inhale. गहरी सांस भरेंगे. सांस छोड़ते हुए left side turn करेंगे. So we will do it 5 times with left side and right side. Deep inhale, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Deep inhale, stretch. Now we will change side. We can do it with other side. Deep inhale, stretch your left hand up. गहरी सांस भरेंगे. सांस छोड़ते हुए will go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Just gently release, roll your shoulder, relax. We will sit on our mat. हम अपने मैट पे नीचे आ जाएंगे. Let's sit comfortably with our spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. We will do few breathing exercises. So if someone wants to do it on chair, sofa or bed, they can do it. And if someone want to keep some support, if they want to take any support, wall support, किसी भी तरह का सपोर्ट लेना चाहते हैं अपने स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट रखने के लिए, we can do that. Breathing exercises are very powerful. You cannot control your emotion on the level of your mind, but you can do it through your breath. Deep breathing technique can help you calm your anxiety and panic. You might have heard this many times as well, that when in stress, anxiety, anger, panic, take deep breath. But nobody taught us how to do it. Nobody taught us the technique. There are so many benefits of breathing properly at every level. The physical, mental, emotional, intellectual or spiritual. But most people, we don't give that much attention to our breath. Let's sit nice and tall with our shoulder relaxed and down. Take a deep breath in and out. When we are inhaling, our tummy should come up, and when we are exhaling, our tummy should squeeze back. So let's sit comfortable. We will start with the first breathing technique, which is also known as pressed breathing, pressed lip breathing or straw breathing. तो हम इस breathing technique में we will feel कि हम inhale कर रहे हैं deep, exhale मुंह से कर रहे हैं, ऐसे कि exhaling through a straw. वो पानी पीने या जूस पीने के लिए जो हम straw use करते हैं, we can use that. For now, as we don't have straw in our hand, we can also make a shape of our finger as if we are holding a straw. Take a deep inhale, बहुत गहरी सांस भरेंगे, and we will exhale through this straw. And make sure that your exhalation is a little longer than your inhalation. We will do it 5 times. गहरी सांस भरेंगे और जब हम exhale करेंगे, we will exhale completely. We will exhale all air out of our lungs, so that our lungs has the capacity to inhale more air, more oxygen, more prana. We will do it 5 rounds. Deep inhale. Make a shape of your lips as if you're holding a straw in your lips, and exhale through your straw. You will feel that your body is getting relaxed, your mind is a little cooler. So we can repeat this 5 to 10 times according to our time and capacity. Next, we will be doing another pranayam which is known as Kapalbhati. So Kapalbhati में हम गहरी सांस भरेंगे. We will just focus on our outgoing breath. हम केवल exhalation पे ध्यान रखेंगे और exhalation will be little sharp. When we are exhaling, our belly will be sunken in towards our spine. So it will be like this. Inhale and your stomach goes in when we are exhaling. So each time when we exhale, it goes in. So we will just keep a precaution for those who are, any of us who are having any heart issues, BP or hernia, they will be doing it very mindfully. अपन बहुत ध्यान से करेंगे, स्लो करेंगे. So any people, किसी को भी हृदय रोग, बीपी या हार्निया की शिकायत है, वो कपालभाति लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ टाइम करेंगे और बहुत ध्यान से और बहुत स्लोली करेंगे. So let's start. We will do 2 rounds of Kapalbhati, 20 each. After 1 round, we will take 3 deep inhale and exhale to relax our body. Let's start. Take a deep, long inhale. Keep your hands facing up, palm facing up on your knee. We can also keep our other hand on our belly to feel this inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. One more deep long inhale. Feel gratitude for your breath and exhale. We will do another round of Kapalbhati. गहरी सांस लेंगे, केवल सांस के छोड़ने पे अपना ध्यान रखेंगे. We will do it 20. We can keep our one hand on our belly to feel our tummy is going in with each exhale. Exhale completely, कोई बंद नहीं लगाएंगे. Inhale and exhale. Feel your breath incoming and outgoing. Let's do another pranayam, which is known as Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam, alternate nostril blocking in Anulom Vilom. We will start with our right side. We can hold our right nostril with our right thumb. We will inhale in 4 seconds through our left nostril, hold it for 2 seconds, exhale with right nostril in 4 seconds, again hold after exhalation for 2 seconds, inhale with same nostril in 4 seconds, hold and exhale. This is one complete round of Anulom Vilom. So we can do it as long as we are able to do it. So Anulom Vilom निरापद क्रिया है, इसके कोई भी साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है. So we can do any number of time and any time of our day. हम किसी भी वक्त और कितनी भी देर के लिए अनुलोम विलोम कर सकते हैं. ये निरापद क्रिया है. No side effect for this kriya. So let's start with right. We will hold our right nostril. Inhale with your left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Exhale with right nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Inhale with right nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Exhale with left nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Deep inhale with left nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Exhale with right nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Inhale with right nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Exhale with left nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. complete exhale. Inhale through your both nostrils and exhale through your both nostrils. Now we will hold our left nostril. We will inhale and exhale through our right. We will deep inhale and slow exhale through our right. Now we will do 10 deep inhale and exhale through our right rapidly. Relax, we'll change side, hold your right nostril, deep inhale and exhale through your left. Now we'll be able to be doing rapid inhale, exhale 10 times from our left nostril. Relax. Take deep inhale and exhale with both nostrils. And just see if there was any difference in your both nostril. किसी का राइट नॉस्ट्रल बहुत एक्टिव होगा, लेफ्ट पैसिव होगा, किसी का लेफ्ट बहुत एक्टिव होगा, राइट पैसिव होगा. So this is a normal rhythm. This is a normally our body function like this. This function keeps on going on every time automatically. 50 minute to 1 hour एक नॉस्ट्रल बहुत एक्टिव होता है, एक पैसिव होता है, फिर दूसरा एक्टिव हो जाता है, पहला वाला पैसिव हो जाता है. So this is a normal rhythm for our nostril. But we don't focus until the time we don't have cough, cold or nose blockage. तभी हमें फील होता है कि एक तरफ बंद है. But this is a normal rhythm. Let's after this we will be doing a very small meditation, or we can also call it Yog Nidra. हम अपनी मैट पे, those who are on their bed, they can lie on their back. हम अपने बैक पे नीचे आ जाएंगे. दोनों पैरों में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस रखेंगे. कीप योर हैंड्स बाय द साइड ऑफ योर बॉडी. हम सब आसन में नीचे जमीन पे आ जाएंगे. हम जमीन पे शवासन में लेटेंगे. दोनों पैरों के बीच में थोड़ा सा अंतर रखेंगे. हाथ शरीर के दोनों साइड पे, हथेली खुली हुई आसमान की ओर. We will lie on our back in Shavasana. Close your eyes very gently. अपनी आंखों को बिना किसी दबाव कसाव के बंद करेंगे. Deep inhale and exhale. Observe your whole body from the tip of your head till toe. अपने पूरे शरीर को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, अपनी बंद आंखों से देखने की चेष्टा करेंगे. फ्रॉम द टिप ऑफ योर हेड टिल योर टो. डीप इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल. ऑब्जर्व योर ब्रेथ. Take another deep breath in. Hold the breath and let it go. Become aware of your whole body. अपने पूरे शरीर की और जागृत हो जाएंगे. अपने पूरे शरीर को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. Your body is a precious gift given to you by nature. Honor and respect your own body. compression of air around your body. हवा के इस दबाव को अपने शरीर के आसपास महसूस करेंगे। Place your attention on your navel center. अपने पूरे ध्यान को अपने नाभि चक्र पर केंद्रित करेंगे। This is the center of gravity for our body. Let it be whatever it is. We will not try to bring anything in or stop anything from being. जो भी इस पल में चल रहा है, जो भी इस पल में हो रही है, उसे होने देंगे। ना किसी को रोकेंगे, ना टोकेंगे। Will not try to bring anything in or stop anything from being. This moment, whatever is, we will simply accept it. जो भी इस पल में है, उसे पूरी तरह से स्वीकार करेंगे। Just feel as everything is frozen. बस ये महसूस करेंगे हमारे आसपास, हमारे अंदर, हमारे भीतर सब कुछ क्षणों के लिए थम सा गया है। Pleasant, unpleasant, tension or relaxation. It's frozen this moment. The way things are, it's still and frozen. Just be present in your body, in your breath, and let everything is frozen. Whatever is happening this moment, let it be. Let it happen. The origin of our life is emptiness. The goal is emptiness. This moment, there is emptiness. Just relax and repose into this emptiness and embrace whatever is happening or not happening. अपना ध्यान अपने आसपास के वातावरण की ओर ले आएंगे। Let's bring our awareness around us. Very gently with your closed eye, try and observe whichever place we are in. In our room, hall, outside, in park. Just very gently with your closed eye, try and observe your own room, your own surrounding, your furniture, painting, showpieces, your ceiling. If we are outside, just observe those greenery, open sky. Now very gently bring your awareness back to your own body. अपना सारा ध्यान अपने शरीर पे केंद्रित करेंगे. Observe your whole body from the tip of your head till your toe and feel each and every cell in your body, each and every tissue, organ in your body is energized, is revitalized. अपने पूरे शरीर को बंद आंखों से ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. हमारे शरीर में जितने भी कोशिकाएं हैं, रक्त, टिश्यू, हर एक को एनर्जाइज्ड, ऊर्जा को अपने पूरे शरीर में महसूस करेंगे. Now very gently bring your awareness to your breath. अपनी सांसों को देखेंगे आते और जाते हुए. Gently take a turn. लेफ्ट करवट लेटेंगे. हमें आंख खोलने की कोई जल्दी नहीं है. Keep your eyes closed. Feel this relaxation in your whole body. हमारा पूरा शरीर आराम की स्थिति में है. हमारा शरीर पूरी तरह से आराम की स्थिति में है. हमारे मस्तिष्क में शांति, पीस, सेरेनिटी को महसूस करेंगे. Very gently, we will sit cross-legged position. हम अपनी जगह पे स्पाइन को सीधा रखते हुए बैठेंगे. Observe your breath. Take deep inhale and exhale. Feel that your entire body is energized and your mind is fresh, peaceful.